I'm gonna show you 25 PC tricks and shortcuts just in 10 minutes. Oh yeah, the timer starts right now.
1. Reset graphics driver.
Press Ctrl Shift Windows plus B. This will reset your graphics driver, and this can be helpful if you're having a display or graphics issues.
2. Minimize all programs.
Press Windows key plus M together. This will minimize all your programs immediately. You know, just in case if you're watching P-Stars and someone comes in your room.
3. Change Chrome background.
Go to Google and download a GIF that you really like. Then open a new tab in Chrome. Click the pencil icon in the right bottom corner. Then click Upload from device. Now you can change your Chrome background to look way better. Please have some self-control with this tip.
4. Take a screenshot.
Take screenshots. Oh, you found the tiny evidence. Well, you better collect it. Press Windows key Shift plus S to take a screenshot and immediately copy, so you can paste it whenever and wherever you want.
5. Highlight address bar.
When you have your browser open, press Ctrl plus L together. This will immediately highlight your address bar for those of you who are incredibly lazy and don't want to just click it with your mouse.
6. Unlock God mode.
Right-click on your desktop and make a new folder. Next, rename the folder to exactly what you see here. This is going to unlock God mode, and now you have access to all the admin tools in this folder.
7. Reopen accidentally closed tab.
Press Ctrl Shift plus T to open your browser tab that you accidentally just closed. I wish I knew this years ago.
8. Lightsaber Progress Bar.
Open Spotify and search complete Star Wars soundtrack. Press play and enjoy this Easter egg Spotify stuff. In here the progress bar will turn into a lightsaber.
9. Create new desktop.
Imagine you are in the middle of some work project or research you have been doing all day, when you need a deal with another task immediately. Opening new tabs and windows will just slow you down and mess up your workflow, so you need a new clean desktop. Well, just press Windows Ctrl plus D. It will switch to a new fresh desktop and you are ready to go.
10. Switch between desktops.
Okay, but where is all that previous work you were doing before? Is it gone forever? Oh, don't panic, it's just hiding. To get it back, push the Windows key and Control. Now you can switch between all the virtual desktops you have made by using the left and right arrow keys. When you are done with the second task, ensure you no longer need the desktop. You can close it by pressing the Windows key, Control and F4.
11. Make progress bar go crazy.
Go to any YouTube video you want and make sure you're not selecting the search bar. Now type up the word awesome. Now the progress bar will go crazy with different colors. Also important, type it again to make it stop.
12. Access Netflix's secret codes.
Go to netflix-codes.com. Now you can have access to all Netflix's secret codes. You can immediately jump to a super specific genre by searching one of these codes on Netflix. Alright, we're halfway there. How we doing on time? Alright, sitting close.
13. Anti-gaming restrictions game.
Open your browser and go to ev.io. Now you can enjoy this free multiplayer battle royale, but the twist is it should bypass any anti-gaming restrictions. Okay, now when we're halfway through, I'll wait 5 seconds, because only legends can like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you succeed?
14. See FPS in any game.
Open your favorite game and on your keyboard press Alt plus R together. If you have an Nvidia graphics card, you will now be able to see your FPS in any game.
15. Boost Fortnite FPS.
Next, if you're playing Fortnite, go to settings and change every setting to the same settings I have. This will boost your FPS for double. And if you're already in Fortnite, go to an item shop and use code CITYL.
16. Cycle through different windows.
Press Alt plus Tab together to cycle through different windows. Now while you're cycling, press Delete. It will close the window you have selected.
17. Secret game on Steam.
Make sure you have Steam downloaded on your PC. Next, press Windows key plus R and enter this exactly. Now you can enjoy this weird secret game on Steam. It's not available through any interface.
18. Watch movie and work.
Now open your Chrome browser and type this exactly. Click enter and make sure global media controls are set to default. Whenever you're watching a movie, you can click this in the top right.
19. Access most used apps on Taskbar.
If you want much faster access to your most used apps, consider keeping them on your taskbar. It will speed up your workflow even more if you use the following combination: Windows key plus a number key from 1 to 9. Each number represents an app in your taskbar from the left to right, and this combo will bring up the necessary one.
20. Get money for free on Steam.
Open Steam and go to your inventory. These items in your inventory are worth real money, and you can sell them for cash on the Steam marketplace. Enjoy a bit of free cash on me.
21. Unlock hidden themes in Wallpaper Engine.
Open Wallpaper Engine on Steam and go to Settings. Then go to the About tab, then click up, down, left, right, B, A, enter. Make sure you do it really quickly. Now you have unlocked all Wallpaper Engine's hidden themes.
22. Lock user profile.
Let's say you share a computer with your family or co-workers, and you spend all day looking for the perfect gift for your mom, or slacking off at work, and you don't want anyone to know about it. If you suddenly need to step away from the computer, but you don't want anyone meddling in your stuff, you can quickly lock your user profile. Simply push the Windows key plus I. Just make sure you set up your password first, and don't forget it. Pretty cool, huh?
23. Split screen between two apps.
Want to see a magic trick? Try this. Open one app that you need for your work and press Windows key plus left arrow. Then open another app and click Windows key plus right arrow. Now two windows are sharing your screen. Checking facts in your academic work while looking directly at your sources? No problem. Photoshopping while watching Sentinel videos? Easy peasy.
24. Manage apps.
There are several ways to effectively shift from one app to another and to manage them on your desktop using hotkeys. Pressing Windows key plus tab will show you all the apps currently running on your PC. This is the PC equivalent to the Max Mission Control. It provides a broader view of open windows and available desktops, and is much more convenient to use. And finally, there's the hotkey Alt plus tab that will allow you to swap programs without previously displaying them, like a deck of cards. If you work with just a couple of windows at once, this one's for you.
25. See entire Discord logo in HDL.
Go to the discord.com/humans.txt. For some reason, the entire Discord logo is typed out here in a specific hardware programming language. Hey, which video do you want to see on this channel in the future? And which hotkeys make your time on your computer smoother and faster? Let everybody know down in the comments. Be sure to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and click subscribe to support me.